Hi everyone, welcome back to another computer science tutoring video from the Baylor University Tutoring Department. In this video, we'll walk through a short C++ code example showing some of the features of pointers. So let's use the debugger to walk through this program line by line. I have my breakpoint at line 12, so we can walk through the print statements. So I'm going to start debugging. And first, in this program, I create an int variable named x and set it to 20. After that, I make an int pointer and set it to the address of x. Now I have my pointer, which points to x. Let's take a look at the first print statement. This first one prints the value of our int pointer variable, which is the address of x, to the console. Let's step to that. And if we take a look at the console here, we can see the address of x. The next print statement dereferences my pointer to show the value of x, which should be 20. So let's walk to that line. Now we can see the value of x is indeed 20. So we've confirmed that my pointer points to x with x's address printed to the console as well. Next up, we set x's value to 30. A valid way to do this is to write the code x equals 30. However, to show off dereferencing, I've set x to 30 using my pointer. As you can see on line 19, I prepend my pointer with the dereference operator, which will access the value at the address that my pointer points to, then set it to 30. After this, we have 3 print statements to confirm that everything is as expected. We print the value of x by dereferencing my pointer and using the normal method of printing the x variable. Finally, we print the address of x, which is unchanged since we did not attempt to modify this. Let's check that out. So we have the value of x after change, value of x after change by printing with the x variable, and the address of x, which is unchanged as you can see here. Now you may have noticed that I have another function here named pointer function. This is a void returning function that takes one parameter, that being an int pointer passed by value. This means that the int pointer variable that is passed to the function will be copied into a different int pointer variable, meaning that when we pass my pointer to the function, my pointer itself will be unaffected by any changes made to the copy in pointer function. So let's look at the code here in pointer function. First, we dereference the pointer passed in and set the value at that memory location to 50. Then we create a local variable y and change the pointer to point to that variable. Pause the video if necessary and take a few seconds to determine what the next 2 print statements will show. Okay, so let's walk through these next print statements. The first print statement still prints the address of x, meaning that, as expected, my pointer is unchanged after the function call. Remember, my pointer is a variable, and when we pass a variable to a function by value, a copy is passed to that function. Therefore, the variable from the calling code will remain unchanged. Let's walk to the next print statement and check that out. So the second print statement shows that x is now 50. Remember, even though we passed my pointer by value, my pointer and the copy of my pointer contain the address of x. Therefore, when we dereference the pointer in the function, we are accessing the location of the x variable and setting its value to 50. So I hope that this short example has helped to show some of the features of pointers in C++. Stay tuned for the next video in which we'll go into more depth with this concept. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter which computer science course you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our tutoring center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You'll find all the details you need about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online or just drop in during any of our business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thanks.